you guys are going to pair off, just you two and you two. And I want you to look at these pictures and decide which one is the older picture, because they're both, these are the rivers and these are mountains, but which one is older? And discuss with your partner. When you're done, check off which one's the oldest one.
Like the date that picture was taken?
No, like when the mountain was formed.
Okay.
Picture.
No.
Kind of discuss why you picked it too.
Well, with each I think
you can see where the water used to be where all the water is. And I feel like the rock is very old, whereas here it's just like
yeah, and it's just like keeps reviewing.
this one's dried up.
Okay, are you ready?
Yes.
So now you're going to present to each other why you picked this picture and why you picked this picture. But why don't you guys go first?
Got it.
So why did you pick that one as the oldest?
We picked this one because you could see like the rock, and this one you can't, and so you can also see maybe where the water was, and so like the water maybe was hard down, whereas this one is like staying.
Okay. And then you guys?
Well, we think the mountain because it's higher. Because it's bigger.
Okay,
Because over time we get declines, so push it out and it gets bigger over the years.
great. Okay. So do you guys know what makes these changes? Why that river is why that river is different than that one, and why this mountain is different than that one? Do you have a word for it, or just
I think I have the word, but I don't want word. Erosion?
Yes.
erosion? Perfect. So erosion. The definition of erosion is the wearing away of sand, soil, or rock by water or wind. Okay.
What grade are we?
Oh, sorry, we're second grade. So I want you guys to individually come up with a marker and then mark something about the definition that kind of sticks out to you, whether it's a word you don't know, or something you want to learn more about, or the importance of the definition. You want to go first? And you can do the same word, because it's kind of a short definition if you want. Next. And you can star it, circle it, do whatever you want. Okay, so do you guys not understand the definition we're in here, or do you just see that as the most important part? Do you guys get it? Okay, good. So now we're going to simulate different types of landforms and erosion. And they're going to be kind of landforms that we don't see in Kansas. So it's going to be kind of interesting. We're going to go to the beach and the mountain and the sand dunes. Okay, first, yeah, fun, right? First, you have 3 pages of paper. And we're going to do 3 simulations, so you're going to do 1 page for each paper. So your paper needs to look like this. You're going to divide it up in half like this and label this side before and this side after. And then down here, notes.
Which picture was right?
We'll discover that later. What? I was like, do you guys want to pick your colors? Are you good with green?
Yeah.
What color do you want, Charlie?
I don't know.
Okay. What color does it
Surprise me.
Okay, so first we're going to visit the sand dunes. You each got a straw, and we're going to come over here, and you're first going to draw a picture of what you see before we do the simulation. So what's your picture? And look through this area. That's probably the best area to draw your picture from.
Before.
Yeah, and the before.
Can I draw it like this?
If whichever way you want. It doesn't matter. All right. Oh, you guys don't have to do that.
Oh.
You don't want to. Okay, so now we're going to simulate what wind does to the land. So we're each going to go around. We'll start with Kara, and you're going to blow. Do it lightly because we don't want sand to come up in our face. Not that lightly. You can do it more. You want to pass it on? You done? Okay. Oh! She made a mess! Go ahead, you can. Get it in there. Here, I'll do more. Get part of this. Okay, so now you guys need to draw your after picture. And on your notes, explain what was happening when you were simulating erosion.
Explain what?
You can make notes about it, but you're also going to write a sentence explaining what was happening. Alright, when you're done with that, just flip on to the next page because we're going to move on to the next simulation. Okay, now we're going to visit the beach. Yeah. So I'm going to pour in this water to make our ocean. Oops. Okay, draw your before picture. Sure. Okay, so now we're going to make waves by taking this plastic piece and pushing the water up to our beach. So take turns doing that. Just do like 2 or 3 waves. Okay. That's okay. You've got a lot of beach show road. All right.
On the back.
Now draw your after picture and make notes. You have to pay attention to the scene.
No one's taking notes.
Okay, everybody finished with that? Now we're going to do a mountain. This one's the fun one. Okay, so now we're going to take our water bottle and simulate rain on a mountain. So go ahead and just spray it as much as you want. Oh yeah, draw your before picture. Get closer. There you go. All right, now draw your after picture. All right, so now we're going to put in toothpicks to half of our mountain and see how that affects it. We're going to redo it.
No,
So just put
how many?
just how many you want. The more the better.
Right here?
Just stick them in anywhere. Half of the mountain. These are our trees, like half this way.
Okay, so not yet.
And you can stick them all the way to here. I'll test it. That's fine. These are our trees.
Do you care when we put it on the other side?
No, just the